Good afternoon and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a slightly used 2022 blue metallic Ford Transit Connect with a Mini T conversion. The vehicle has under 5,000 miles on it, so it has plenty of the 3-year 36,000 bumper to bumper, 5-year 60,000 Ford warranty. Also comes with a full 1-year conversion warranty from DLM. Inside you find features of the vehicle that include heated leather seats, built-in navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror, adaptive cruise control, meaning if you have your cruise control set, someone in front of you slows down, your vehicle will automatically slow down for you, keeping you a safe distance. This is a titanium-based vehicle. You have the front and rear sensors, reverse camera. Our conversion always comes with solar over-the-air antenna, reversible max air fan, hitch, has a 2,000-pound towing capacity, shore power plug-in cord, limo tinted windows in the back for privacy, also comes with a fabric curtain, WeatherTech sunshades, and also WeatherTech floor mats. This vehicle also has the mid-vehicle overhead for additional storage, vinyl flooring, 43 by 72 inch couch that folds out into a, it folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, microwave, sink, fresh water and gray water, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, the max air fan, which is reversible and can also be kept up if it's raining. Everything in the back can be ran even if you're not plugged in due to the dual house batteries and the 2,000 watt inverter. Even the microwave will work if you're not plugged in. Check out our full details on our website, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!